The India Bloc MPs are now demanding Amit Shah's resignation over the insult to B.R. Ambedkar in his speech is what they are alleging. So from taking over from what happened yesterday, protests and complaints, now we are expecting that the India Bloc MPs, which means not just the Congress party but their alliance partners too, will be marching to the parliament from Vijay Chowk 10 a.m. and demand Home Minister Amit Shah's apology, ask him to resign for insulting Ambedkar, who's called father of the constitution. What about the BJP then? All BJP members likely will also be getting together, we are told, at the Prerna Sthal, which is near the Mahatma Gandhi statue inside the parliament premises. And that means both sides all geared up. It looks like our lawmakers intend to battle it out in person in the parliament, while a lot of bills, debates and discussions remain pending, in many ways a washout as well. These are the visuals from yesterday. From morning to evening, remember, full-on high drama happened. The MPs from the Congress party jumped on these ramps in the parliament. One BJP MP visibly injured. Other BJP MP said, I was rudely spoken to by Rahul Gandhi in an intimidating tone. Rahul Gandhi said, I did nothing. I was the one who was pushed by the BJP leaders. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me this morning for the latest on that. Aishwarya, so looks like not much is going to change this morning as well. What are you picking up from what the strategy of Congress and BJP is this morning for the parliament?
Well, Pooja, we have seen it is a protest versus protest that one can now see in the parliament very clearly. And we are seeing it not just the Congress but even the BJP, which is now up in arms and they want to protest. See, let me tell you one thing, no video where one can clearly see Rahul Gandhi actually pushing MPs has come to the fore. The only videos that we can actually, where we can see is the MP Sarangi, actually tripping over and falling down and hurting himself. So now this has become a new front where the war is being fought between the Congress and the BJP. The BJP now in one tone, from the defense minister to the top leaders are now saying that it was indeed Rahul Gandhi. We have also seen how women MPs have gone to Rajya Sabha chairperson Jagdeep Dhankhar and they are telling him that they want protection. So we are seeing these scenes unfolding, but from what we understand, Pooja, today also will not be a very productive day. It will only be protest against protest, and from what we are understanding, in the afternoon today, by afternoon, the parliament will be sidelined. That's what we are understanding at the moment.
All right, Aishwarya, as you track all the latest, we'll be coming back to you in just a short while. We have more news coming in. So Congress MPs are ready. They'll be outside the parliament at the Vijay Chowk. They'll be marching inside and will full on possibly again more banners and posters. Can you believe what you're looking at? These are elected representatives. These are lawmakers sitting on a dharna. They are in a position to change a lot for this country for the future, but instead both sides believe that dharna, agitation, scuffle, confrontation is the way to go right now.